if I ever fall in love again. Yan. Scared, I guess I'm scared to fly such a way down. And yet, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around.
And I know when you it hurts to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel
I'm ready now to try. So if I ever fall in love again, and sometimes when this broken heart to mend,
loving is gonna be with you.
it's gonna be with you.
Though I don't know when.
If I ever fall in love again, I'll be a fool to ever let you go.
You're
The
the
best thing in my life, well, I know I'm gonna take it slow. Alright, oh yeah. Kuya Joel Olavides, maraming salamat po. Alak PH Team, Joanne Reality TV, Kuya Vincent, Ate O, May Karamay, maraming salamat. The One, thank you very much. Napasaya mo yung gabi namin. Never fall in love again. If I ever fall in love again. Woo! Alright. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dyan. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga support. Ate, maraming salamat. Bayers po sa inyong lahat dyan. Bayers po tayo. And see you tomorrow in the morning. Maraming salamat po. The One, thank you. Hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggan ang inyong pag-ibig sa akay. Janet 25 Vlog. Wala na, tulog na. Ayan, maraming salamat dyan sa inyo. Pulitz Rose Chiahu, may love shout out. Ayan, bayers sa inyong lahat dyan ha. Maraming salamat po. Oh no. Ayan, okay, maraming salamat. Ayan, mag-i-end na po tayo. The One, maraming salamat sa iyo. Okay ka lang dyan? Soon, maraming salamat din, bayers sa iyo soon. Maraming salamat sa iyong parinyo ng iyong members. Yan, maraming salamat. The One, pakis na, kiss ka na. Uwi na tayo. Joke lang. Ayan, Marimar, may nag-love shout out. Thank you very much, ha? Oo. Thank you for coming, ha? Maraming salamat. Thank you. Mama dyan, ha? Mama sa inyo lahat dyan, ha? Thank you. Ayan. Nakalista ko nakalista na. Oh, sige. Andyan na si Mysterious. Gulat ako, akala ko mali yung basa ko. Ayan nga, kulit Rose. Wow. Talaga, ha? Pina-inlove ako. Kiss na nga. Sige na nga. Soon, maraming salamat. Hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggan ang panood mo dyan. Maraming salamat. Nag-enjoy ba kayo ngayong gabi? Sa sunod yung last song natin, i-duet na namin yan ni The One. Oo. Kasi yung secret ko, hindi naman nanonood yun eh. Oo. Kuya Joel, maraming salamat Kuya Joel. Balikan kita sa Kuya Joel. Balikan ko yung channel mo. Joanne, maraming salamat. Magla-live ka ba, Joanne? Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Good night to each and everyone. Babush! The One, bye-bye na ha. Oh no. Binalitan na naman pangalan mo. Buang. Go! Commercial mo na ako.
Welcome to Call Up Gangs members of Janet 25 Vlog. Please subscribe and click the bottom bell to my members Angela Zeki, Barchelvium Consejo, Manning J, Daryl Rogo, Metal Joy Vlog, Droiden 286 Mix Vlog, NT Marga Vlog, Nori OFW, Rosie Ross Bonsky Bong Mix Vlog, You, Gene Mix Vlog 23, Lonnie Medar, K Mahalayan, Yoli Boy and Family Vlog, Simply My Labs, Editor Robbie, or Linson 1, Show Vlog Channel, Janos Key TV Mr. So, Admin, John McBirang, Rick's Channel, Mary Yahoo, Mysterious _ Way Love, Myrno Adjo, Ray Han Picoso, Mysterious 06 Way 20, and May Caramel. Thank you for your love and support from host Janet 25 Vlog. God bless us all. Welcome to Janet 25 Vlog. Please click the bottom bell. Janet 25 Vlog content, Singing Tatak Hour contest, cover song Exploring Japan video, live streaming Cape Hike Han morning. Please hug my Janet 25 Vlog Gangs members. Please subscribe to my members. Tanya Lamoto Vlog, Vincent Bayaga, Jenny Jane's BP channel, Jimari Moore, Nori May TPA. Thank you for your love and support to Janet 25 Vlog. Enjoy my freebies, your channel, enjoy YouTube. God bless us all.
Yan. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. God bless you. Ha? Oh no. Oh no, babay na ha. Maglalas ano na ako video. Hindi pa siya bumababa. Oh. Gusto mo sabay tulog tayo dito. Sabay ganun. Good night to each and everyone. Bye-bye.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Bye. Good night to each and everyone. See you around. The one, bye-bye. Bye-bye na ha.